Hello, everyone. Today, we crack open the piggy bank and get real about the world of money. Yes, we're diving into a question that's been puzzling folks for centuries. Why do the rich seem to get richer while the rest of us struggle to keep up? Buckle up, because we're about to expose the secrets of wealth accumulation and maybe even shake up your financial worldview. First things first, let's potentially ditch the myth of the self-made millionaire. Sure, hard work and talent play a role, but the truth is, the game is rigged from the start. Wealthy families pass down not just money, but also social capital, access to education, and a head start in the job market. It's like playing Monopoly with a pre-built hotel on Park Place. But before we begin today's discussion, please remember that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please consult a financial advisor in your jurisdiction before investing your own money. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Let's start with the power of compound interest. Then, there's the magic of compound interest. Imagine you invest $100 at 10% interest per annum. After a year, you've got $110. Not bad, right? But here's the kicker. The next year, you earn interest on both the original $100 and the $10 you just made. So, you end up with $121. Over time, this snowball effect makes even small investments grow exponentially. Guess who has the luxury of letting their money snowball? The rich, of course. And then comes the asset accumulation game. While you're busy paying rent and bills, the wealthy are busy buying assets. Stocks, bonds, real estate. These things generate passive income, meaning they keep making money even while you sleep. It's like owning a little money-making machine that churns out cash 24/7. The more assets you own, the more machines you have working for you, and the faster your wealth grows. And on the other side of the equation is the debt trap. Today, possibly as in the past, many people are drowning in debt. Student loans, car payments, credit card bills. These are the anchors dragging individuals down. Every month, a chunk of our hard-earned cash goes towards servicing these debts, leaving a lot of people with less to invest or save. It's a vicious cycle that keeps them stuck in the hamster wheel of financial insecurity. So, what can you do? Don't despair, friends. There's still hope. Here are some tips to break free from the cycle and build your own wealth. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is key. Learn about investing, budgeting, and debt management. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Start small, but start now. Even a few dollars saved each month can make a difference over time. The power of compound interest is real, so get your money working for you early. Finally, pay off debts as much and fast as you can in conclusion. It might feel like the system is stacked against the regular fold, but that doesn't mean one is powerless. By understanding how money works and making smart choices, it is possible to break free from the cycle and build our own financial freedom. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about playing the long game and making your money work for you. So, let's get out there, invest in ourselves, and build a future where everyone has a chance to thrive. Before we end, Hat, are your thoughts on wealth inequality? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom.